We know that the climate is changing and that human activities are causing this. We know that we need to cut greenhouse gases massively and rapidly. So I was involved in helping to write the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change 6th Assessment Report. So I was a lead author, and I was also involved in writing the summary for policymakers, which was used extensively in the COP meetings. It was a real call for action for policymakers, for governments to reduce their emissions. So I thought that this was a real good possibility to use the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change report as a springboard to promote action. I wanted it to be applied to students at schools, I wanted it to apply to local groups, to businesses, to councils, because here is where people can really actually make the difference by producing local action. I wanted to get the key messages across, and I used an adaptable approach. So, for example, in schools, I thought it was really important to make things interactive. So I brought in equipment that the students could experiment with, they could act out climate systems, and that kind of inspired interest and got them comfortable and able to talk about climate change. The other part of my role was to appear on various media stations to explain the science in very simple terms, but not too simple, so inspiring interest in why the climate is changing and how the climate is changing, what we have to do, and that solutions are available.